Introducing the revolutionary Hydrodermabrasion system, Zemits DermeLuxx Pro, the new generation of Hydrodermabrasion technology that combines the most advanced treatment technologies into one compact device. This 3-in-1 aesthetic system provides hydrodermabrasion, serum hydration, and cooling skin soothing steps to deliver the ultimate skincare experience. The DermeLuxx Pro's unique fluid hydrodermabrasion technology enables better hydroexfoliation and extraction of blackheads and pores. The amazing serum application step helps to hydrate and nourish the skin, while the final step of cooling application leaves the skin feeling calm and naturally glowing. Zemits DermeLuxx Pro is the choice of over 500 skincare experts in 17 different countries. With over 12 years of experience, we know the struggles of spa business owners and estheticians, and we have created better technology for you. We understand that the high cost of consumables can be a challenge for many estheticians. That's why Zemits engineers have developed a new hydrodermabrasion system that requires 10 times less serum than before. With all of its improvements, DermeLuxx Pro helps to achieve much greater skin results while drastically increasing client retention. Unlike every other hydrodermabrasion machine on the market, DermeLuxx Pro is designed to be a profitable device for your business. You can use 10 times less serum, achieve greater skin results, and get a faster return on your investment. Say goodbye to the days of spending $20 to $40 per facial and hello to earning more with every treatment. DermeLuxx Pro is not a dry microdermabrasion. It's a new type of fluid hydrodermabrasion that offers a cleaner and more controlled procedure. The step of hydrodermabrasion is performed on wet skin, where the serum is topically applied with a fan brush. The wand easily glides over the skin surface, and advanced diamond hydrodermabrasion tips exfoliate the skin, while vacuum suction collects debris from pores and blackheads into the convenient waste collector. The synergy of advanced Zemits hydrodermabrasion serums and fluid hydrodiamond exfoliation delivers instantly radiant skin. Gentle and effective clear extraction tips perform even better blackhead extractions. The next step is a serum application. It helps to hydrate the skin with carefully crafted serums. The final step is truly amazing, a 100% holistic and gentle cooling application that not only soothes the skin and reduces redness, but also brings out its natural healthy glow. It's the perfect way to end the treatment and leave skin looking and feeling refreshed and rejuvenated. We want to ensure that you have the best experience possible with our machines, which is why we provide advanced training with every purchase. Our advanced training program is exclusively designed for customers who purchase Zemits machines. You will have free access to our customized online training course, specifically tailored to the features and functions of your new machine. We know that time is of the essence in the aesthetics industry, which is why our online training course is available 24/7. You can learn at your own pace and take as much time as you need to master the techniques and procedures necessary for success. Upon successful completion of your unique training course, we will provide you with a certificate of completion, a testament to your dedication and hard work. We are committed to ensuring that you have the skills and knowledge necessary to succeed in the aesthetics industry. Hundreds of estheticians all over the world have already chosen Zemits DermeLuxx Pro Hydrodermabrasion System to support their businesses. It's time for you to make a smart business decision too. Let our team help you find the perfect solution for your business needs. Give us a call and start taking the first steps towards success.